Ever wondered where elephants live and what they eat? Today we're uncovering the elephant lifestyle. Elephants, these magnificent creatures, are more than just the largest land animals on Earth. They're also ecosystem engineers, shaping the world around them in ways no other species can. Their importance in the ecosystem is undeniable, from their role in seed dispersal to their ability to create water holes and clear pathways through vegetation. There are two primary species of elephants that roam our Earth: the African elephant and the Asian elephant. Both these species are highly adaptable, and their habitats can range from grasslands and savannas to dense forests and even deserts. Their place of residence largely depends on the species and the availability of food and water. The African elephant, scientifically known as Loxodonta africana, is commonly found in open savannas and grasslands. This species has access to a variety of vegetation, making it a haven for these herbivores. Some populations of African elephants, however, prefer the dense forests of Central and West Africa, where they can feast on a plethora of leaves, fruits, and bark. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the Asian elephant, or Elephas maximus. This species is often associated with forested habitats, including tropical and subtropical forests. Countries like India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Indonesia are home to these elephants. However, in some regions, Asian elephants may also inhabit grasslands and scrublands. When it comes to their diet, elephants are herbivores, meaning they primarily eat plant material. Their diet varies based on the availability of vegetation in their habitat. From grazing on various grass species to stripping bark from trees and consuming leaves, twigs, and fruits, elephants have a diverse diet. They also dig for roots and tubers using their tusks and trunk, especially during the dry season, and in some habitats, they may feed on aquatic vegetation. Feeding their large bodies and high energy requirements, elephants can consume a substantial amount of food each day, often ranging from 330 to 660 pounds of vegetation, depending on the species and individual needs. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of elephants, their habitats, and diets. Asian elephants, though smaller than their African counterparts, also have a variety of habitats. These magnificent creatures are primarily associated with forested habitats. In the thick, dense forests of the tropics and subtropics, Asian elephants find shelter, food, and a sanctuary away from human encroachment. These forests, bursting with biodiversity, are found across a range of countries. Another significant habitat for Asian elephants is the grasslands. These vast, open spaces, with their waving grasses and scattered trees, provide a different kind of home for these elephants. Here, they can roam freely, grazing on the abundant grasses and shrubs, and basking in the warm sun. In some regions, these elephants also inhabit scrublands, a rough, wild terrain that they navigate with their innate strength and resilience. India, with its diverse landscapes, is home to a significant population of Asian elephants. From the lush green forests of Kerala to the grasslands of Assam, Asian elephants have made their homes in various corners of this vast country. Sri Lanka, an island nation to the south of India, also hosts a considerable number of these elephants. The elephants here have adapted to the island's tropical forests and grasslands, and they are an integral part of Sri Lanka's rich biodiversity. Moving further east, we find Asian elephants in the forests and grasslands of Thailand. This Southeast Asian country, known for its natural beauty, is a haven for these elephants, which are a part of the nation's cultural and natural heritage. Indonesia, an archipelago with a diverse range of habitats, is another home for Asian elephants. The elephants here have adapted to the country's tropical forests, making them an essential part of Indonesia's vibrant ecosystems. From tropical forests to grasslands, Asian elephants have adapted to a range of environments. These environments not only provide the elephants with food and shelter, but also form a crucial part of their identity. As we continue to delve into the world of elephants, let's remember that these habitats are not just places. They are the homes of these magnificent creatures, and they play a vital role in their survival and well-being. Elephants are herbivores, meaning their diet consists entirely of plant material. As the world's largest land animals, their dietary needs are as grand as their stature. To sustain their colossal size, elephants consume a vast array of vegetation. Let's dive into the specifics of what these giants munch on. Starting with grasses, it's a staple in an elephant's diet. In the open savannas and grasslands, elephants spend much of their time grazing on various species of grasses. But it's not all about grass. Elephants also have a fondness for leaves. From the tall trees to the low-lying shrubs, these giants aren't fussy. In the dense forests, leaves can make up a significant part of an elephant's diet. Then there's the bark and twigs. Elephants are known for their ability to strip the bark from trees, consuming it along with twigs and branches. This behavior isn't always appreciated, especially in areas where elephants and humans share the same habitat. And let's not forget the fruits. Elephants adore a fruity snack. Depending on the season and what's available, they eat a variety of fruits, whether fallen or still hanging on the trees. But what happens when food sources become scarce, particularly during the dry season? That's when the roots and tubers come in. Elephants, with their versatile trunks and tusks, can dig for these hidden treasures, providing a vital source of nutrition when other food is hard to find. Finally, there's the aquatic menu. Elephants are excellent swimmers, and they often take advantage of this skill to feed on water plants in their habitats. So, from grasslands to forests, from dry seasons to wet, the diet of an elephant is as diverse as the habitats they inhabit. This vast dietary range is a testament to the adaptability of these incredible creatures. They consume anywhere between 150 kilograms to 300 kilograms of vegetation daily, depending on their species and individual needs. Elephants' diverse diet reflects the rich plant life in their habitats. The diet of African elephants is as diverse as their habitats. African elephants, known as Loxodonta africana, are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plant matter. Their diet varies based on the season and the type of habitat they inhabit. Let's delve deeper into what these giants of Africa eat. Starting with grasses, African elephants are often found grazing in open savannas and grasslands. They feast on various species of grass, making it a staple in their diet. When the rainy season arrives, these areas become a buffet of fresh, juicy grass, providing elephants with plenty of nutrients. In contrast, during the dry season, when the grass becomes scarce, elephants turn to another source of sustenance: leaves. They consume a variety of leaves from trees and shrubs, especially in forested habitats. Their towering height and long trunk come in handy, allowing them to reach and pluck leaves that are out of reach for many other herbivores. Bark and twigs also form a significant part of the African elephant's diet. Using their tusks, they strip bark from trees, consuming it along with twigs and branches. This behavior not only helps them meet their nutritional needs, but also aids in keeping their tusks sharp. Fruits add a sweet touch to the African elephant's diet. Depending on the season and availability, elephants eat a variety of fruits, both fallen and those still hanging on trees. This fruit consumption plays a crucial role in seed dispersal, contributing to the biodiversity of their habitats. When other food sources become scarce, particularly during the dry season, elephants use their tusks and trunk to dig for roots and tubers. These underground treasures provide them with much-needed sustenance to survive in harsh conditions. Last but not least, water plants also find their way into the African elephant's diet. These excellent swimmers may feed on aquatic vegetation in some habitats, adding another layer of diversity to their diet. In conclusion, African elephants are true gourmets of the animal kingdom, indulging in a wide variety of plant matter. Their diverse diet allows African elephants to thrive in varied habitats. Asian elephants, like their African relatives, have a diverse diet. Diving into the details of their culinary preferences, we'll find that they are quite the herbivores, consuming a wide variety of plant-based foods. Let's start with grasses. Asian elephants are often found munching on different species of grasses. This is particularly true when they inhabit grasslands or scrublands, where these delicious greens are abundant. From tall, lush blades to shorter, drought-resistant varieties, grasses form a significant portion of their diet. Moving on to the treetops, leaves are another favorite. Whether in the dense forests of Thailand or the tropical jungles of Indonesia, Asian elephants show a clear preference for a leafy meal. They use their long, dexterous trunks to pluck leaves from trees and shrubs, adding a nutritional punch to their diet. But leaves aren't the only tree-derived food these elephants enjoy. Bark and twigs are also on the menu. Asian elephants are known to strip the bark from trees and nibble on twigs and branches. This behavior not only provides them with necessary nutrients, but also helps to keep their tusks in check. Fruits, both fallen and those still hanging on the trees, add a sweet variety to the Asian elephant's diet. Depending on the season and availability, they may feast on mangoes, bananas, or figs, among other fruits. When the dry season strikes and vegetation becomes scarce, Asian elephants turn to roots and tubers. Using their powerful tusks and trunk, they dig deep into the ground to unearth these hidden treasures. In addition to all this, Asian elephants are also known to consume water plants. Being excellent swimmers, they often take their mealtimes to the water, feeding on aquatic vegetation. The diet of an Asian elephant is indeed a variable feast, changing with the seasons and the available vegetation. Despite living in different habitats, Asian elephants maintain a similar diverse diet. They truly are the versatile vegetarians of the animal kingdom. Elephants play a crucial role in shaping their habitats. As the largest land animals, elephants have a profound influence on their environments. Their feeding habits in particular significantly shape the vegetation of their habitats. Elephants are not only consumers but also active agents of change. By selectively feeding on certain plants, they play a role in determining the plant species composition of their habitats. For instance, in the savannas and grasslands, elephants often prefer to graze on grasses. Their grazing activities can result in the creation of open areas, which can promote the growth of grasses and prevent the spread of trees and shrubs. In forested habitats, elephants consume a variety of leaves, bark, and twigs. This feeding behavior can have a significant impact on the structure of the forest. By stripping bark from trees, elephants can cause the death of trees, leading to the creation of gaps in the canopy. These gaps can provide opportunities for the establishment of a diverse range of plant species, enhancing biodiversity. Moreover, elephants are known as ecosystem engineers. Their habit of digging for roots and tubers can result in the creation of water holes, which can provide water resources for other animals. Elephants also create paths through dense vegetation, which can be used by other animals. In addition, elephants play a vital role in seed dispersal. The seeds of many plant species pass through the elephant's digestive system unharmed and are deposited in their dung. This can result in the dispersal of seeds over large distances, promoting the spread of certain plant species. However, it's worth noting that the impact of elephants on their habitats is not always positive. In areas where elephant populations have become too large, their feeding activities can lead to habitat degradation. This can be particularly problematic in areas where elephants and humans share the same habitat, leading to conflicts. Through their diet and lifestyle, elephants play a pivotal role in maintaining the balance in their ecosystems. As we can see, these magnificent creatures are not just passive inhabitants of their environments. They actively shape their habitats, playing a crucial role in the functioning of their ecosystems. From the grasslands of Africa to the forests of Asia, elephants have adapted to a wide range of habitats and diets. These gentle giants, whether they're African or Asian, have shown an impressive ability to thrive in diverse environments, from open savannas to dense forests and even deserts. There's a charm to their adaptability, a testament to the resilience of nature. Their diet, as varied as their habitats, comprises grasses, leaves, bark, twigs, fruits, roots, tubers, and even aquatic plants. This breadth of diet, along with their size and energy requirements, means they consume a significant amount of vegetation daily, impacting their habitats in profound ways. Yet, it's this very diversity and adaptability that makes elephants so crucial to their ecosystems. They shape the land, aid in seed dispersal, and create habitats for other species. Understanding the lifestyle of these magnificent creatures helps us appreciate their role in our world and the importance of their conservation.